Okay, so what we got here is a Vauxhall Corsa 2020. It's installed with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So if a thief gets in the vehicle and they try to steal this vehicle by using key cloning methods, the vehicle will not turn on. It will try to start, but it will not turn on. So when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your key, enter your code to be able to start the vehicle. So at the moment it's set to a demo code, so 1 2 3 4. Your parking brake will flash 2 times, and now you can turn it on as normal. If you want to protect your Vauxhall Corsa with the Ghost 2, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.